we have in our monthly meeting, which was held recently, we have taken 2 resolutions. One resolution is to expel all the 5 MLAs who have shifted. I am talking only of South Goa, and we have already given a memorandum to PCC. They also agreed. Second resolution we have passed in our meeting, everybody has supported it, saying that we don't want any party to join us now. We don't want Goa Forward, we don't want MGP, nobody. We will fight the election in the South Goa, entire Goa, alone as a Congress is a national party.
आणि एक maximum sale deeds in the coastal line registered with the registration office is after the date of this order 29/3/2016. And what they do, they shift the high tide lines by bringing the surveyors there, the land sharks. These sale deeds, the cabinet ministers of the members of this government, in the cabinet or office bearers are either directly or indirectly involved in these sale deeds. These land mafia, along with government officials, highest number of sale deeds have been registered in that areas in the coastal zone after the date of this year. And this has come by because the court has ordered 9 July 2019 to Chief Minister. I've made a memorandum putting all these points. I'm not just talking in the air. That this should be a CBI inquiry into all the sale deeds registered after the order of preparing the plan. That is 2016, March 2016.